In this video, I'm going to share with you not just a tool, but a true partner in my artistic journey, and that's the ballpoint pen. While it might look ordinary at a glance, this pen is a powerhouse when it comes to drawing. Its versatility allows you to capture intricate details and rich textures, along with quick gestures. The ballpoint pen is so much more than just a writing instrument. It has become a key part of my sketchbook process. It allows for precision and fluidity that is essential when sketching delicately or even more expressively. What truly sets the ballpoint pen apart for me is its incredible sensitivity to pressure. This feature is crucial when I'm laying down the foundation for my sketches. With just a light touch, I can draw faint lines that are perfect for subtle shading or outlining. As I apply more pressure, the lines grow darker and more defined, allowing me to add line quality and weight to my drawings. This dynamic range of expression gives me complete control over the atmosphere and depth of my drawings. Also, the responsiveness of the ballpoint pen is something that never ceases to amaze me. It feels as though the pen is directly connected to my thoughts, flowing effortlessly as I trace the contours and nuances of the subjects of whatever I'm drawing. I start each sketch with what I like to call discovery lines. These initial strokes are not just about marking the paper, they're about exploring the form, attitude, and spirit of the subject I'm drawing. Though these lines may start imperfectly, they are essential stepping stones that guide me as I build the structure and overall essence of the sketch. From those initial discovery lines, the real magic happens. This is the stage where my sketches start to come more alive. As I refine and add layers, each stroke helps to better define the final drawing. The beauty of the ballpoint pen lies in how it allows for this gradual buildup of detail, similar to sculpting, where each addition or adjustment can make a significant difference, whether I'm aiming for a more realistic portrayal or a more expressive interpretation. The ballpoint pen adapts to my vision, supporting me as I flesh out the textures and vitality inherent in my subject. Another aspect I deeply appreciate about using the ballpoint pen is the spontaneity it brings to my work. Every line I draw with this pen holds potential for surprise and expression. Often, it's the unexpected strokes, the ones that veer off the planned path, that add the most life and movement to my sketches. This spontaneous quality ensures that my drawings are not just static images, they pulse with energy and essence of living beings, making the animals that I draw seem almost ready to spring off the page, or at least I try to make that feeling come through. And with ballpoint pen, as each drawing nears completion, the distinctive texture that only ballpoint pen can achieve becomes increasingly apparent. The ink lays down a finish that you simply don't find in other mediums. Drawing with ballpoint pen fosters a unique mindset, one that blends precision with patience and spontaneity with control. As I pick up this pen and touch it to the paper, a transformation begins, not just on the page, but within myself. The tool teaches me to embrace the permanence of each line, encouraging a thoughtful approach to every stroke. There's no erasing, no turning back, which might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite liberating. The limitation pushes me to think creatively, to plan my moves while also adapting to the unexpected turns that each line might take. The mindset here is one of commitment and adaptation. With each drawing, I commit to the lines I create, learning to trust my instincts and embrace imperfections as integral parts of the artwork's story. This teaches resilience and confidence as I navigate through the layers of the sketch, adjusting my pressure, refining my strokes, and deepening contrast and line weight where needed. Also, the simplicity of the tool strips away any distraction from fancy techniques or overwhelming choices of mediums. The ballpoint pen centers my focus solely on the basics of form, shading, and texture. This focus enhances mindfulness, keeping me wholly absorbed in the moment, connected with my subject, and tuned into the subtle details that bring my sketches to life. Using a ballpoint pen also cultivates patience. A gradual layering required to build depth and detail in these drawings cannot be rushed. Each layer needs to be thoughtfully applied, and sometimes the true character of the sketch only reveals itself slowly. This slow revelation is a great reminder of the process of art itself. It's a journey of discovery and expression, not just a rush to finish. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Also, if you want more tips on drawing and filling your sketchbook, click the link in my description to subscribe to my newsletter, Sketchbook Saturday, where every Saturday I send you actionable tips and tricks on filling your sketchbook. Thanks.